When I originally graduated high school, I did attempt college, and the program that I picked was not the right fit. So I decided to take some time off. Little did I know it'd be a really long period of time. And I happened to stumble into my current job as an LNA. And it really just, I was like, I want to do this. I want to do more. So I started looking at different programs, applied to the LPN program here, got into that, graduated in June of this year, and then immediately came back for my associates. It was a big deal graduating in June. No one else in my family has done that, so it was a really big emotional thing for all of us. I actually was just kind of clicking around one night on VSAC's website, I believe it was, and just happened to stumble across it and was like, I think I meet all these requirements, and just kind of applied and then got it. For me, it's taken some of the financial strain off for me. It was every little bit helps as far as scholarships, grants, and everything, and this was just another piece to that financial puzzle. If this is what you want, be willing to commit to it. It's a lot of work, but in the end, it really pays off.